Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic many Discord users may want to explore: how to disable contact syncing on Discord. If you value your privacy and want to control who can see your contacts, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, look for your profile picture, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down to find privacy and safety. This section contains all the options for managing your privacy preferences on Discord. Once you've located it, go ahead and tap on it. Here's the key step. Look for the Sync Contacts option within the Privacy and Safety menu. This feature allows Discord to sync your contacts. But if you prefer not to have that information shared, you can easily toggle it off. Just slide the toggle to the left, and voila! Your contacts will no longer be synced with Discord. And that's it! You've successfully disabled contact syncing on Discord. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.